Either the royalty or the minimum rent, which is more or which is higher, should be payable to landlord. Even though it gives next 2 years, even though it gives first 3 years, both are same. Keep this in mind. We could not recover the short working of the previous year because current year also we are having the short working, so we could not recover the short working of the previous year. Hello my dear students, I am your Ajay sir, faculty, Department of Commerce and Management, Vidyashram, First Ed College, Mysuru, a temple of excellence. My dear students, in today's session, I am going to handle the subject Financial Accounting 2 for second sem BCom, and the topic is Accounting for Royalty. Let's go to the first slide. In the previous session, we were discussing on the ledger entries in the books of lessee, and today's session also we are going to do the problem or solve the problem regarding the ledger entries or ledger accounts in the books of lessee. Next one, the J&K Coal Company Limited leased a land from landlord for 10 years from 1st January 1998 on the following terms. These are the following conditions. Let's look at the condition. The JK Coal Company Limited shall pay a minimum rent of rupees 5,600 per year for the first year. So, how much they have to pay? For first year, they have to pay 5,600, and with an annual increase of 560 in every subsequent year. Means what? See here, for first year 5,600, for second year 5,600 plus how much? 560. Okay, again for third year 5,600 plus already included 560. Again for the second time 560 should be included. Again, how many years they have asked for? So how many years they have asked? First, second, third, fourth, 5 years they have asked. So 5 years means, so again for fourth year 5,600 plus already included 560 plus 560. Again we have to add one more 560 rupees for the fourth year. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again for fifth year, again 560 plus 560 plus 560 plus 560. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 560. So for first year it is 5,600 plus 560 equals to, for first year it is 5,600. For second year it is 6,160. For third year 5,600 plus 560 plus 560. So it is 6,720. So first year, second year, third year, fourth year plus 560 equals to 6,720 plus 560. So 7,280. Again for fifth year plus 560 equals to 7,840. So 5,600 plus 550 equals to 6,160 plus 560 equals to 6,720 plus 560 equals to 7,280 plus 560 equals to 7,840. This is how the minimum rent will be keep on changing. Now let's look at the next condition. The minimum rent is merging into royalty of rupees 1 per ton. So royalty is 1 rupees per ton of the coal taken out of the power. So royalty is 1 rupees out for the coal taken out with the power to recoup the short working in first 3 years only. See, already I told you first 3 years equals to next 2 years. So next 2 years means what? In first year short working happened, you will be having second year, this is the first year, and third year, this is the next 2 years. So next 2 years we will be having the power to recoup the short working. Short working happened in the first year. Next 2 years means leaving the first year and second year. That means second year and third year. First 3 years means what? Including the first year. So first year, second year and third year. So both are same. First 3 years equals to next 2 years. Even though it gives next 2 years, even though it gives first 3 years, both are same. Keep this in mind. So first 3 years means including first year 3 years. Next 2 years means including or excluding first year, first year and third year. That means second year and third year. The annual output of the year was as follows. Look at the annual outputs here. For 1998, 1,400 tons. For 1999, 4,200 tons. 2000, 8,400. 2001, 11,200 and 2002, 3,920 ton. Prepare necessary ledger entries in the books of lessee. Now let's go to the table. In the year of 1998, what is the output? 1,400. Again, what is the rate per ton? So he has given rate per ton is 1 rupees per ton. Royalty 1 rupees per ton. So again it is 1,400. For first year, what is the minimum rent? See, we have calculated the minimum rent 5,600. Is 5,600. What is the short working? So what is the difference between the royalty and minimum rent? That is the short working. So if minimum rent is more, whatever the difference we get, 5,600 minus 1,400, that means 4,200 is the short working. Again, short working not recovered. There is no short working recovered for the first year, and transfer to profit and loss account is also not there. And whichever is lesser, whichever is higher, or either the royalty or the minimum rent, which is more or which is higher, should be payable to landlord. It is 5,600. Minimum rent is more than the royalty, so we are paying minimum rent. Now coming to the next year, 1999. So our production is 4,200. Royalty is 1 rupees. So royalty is 4,200. Again for the first year, our minimum rent is 6,160. So 6,160. So deduct this amount. So this year also we are having more minimum rent, or minimum rent is more than the royalty. So what is the short working here we are having? So 6,160 minus 4,200. So the short working is 1,960 is the short working. Short working recovered. We could not recover the short working of the previous year because current year also we are having the short working. So we could not recover the short working of the previous year. It is also nil. Short working transfer to profit and loss account. Here he has given first 3 years means next 2 years. Both are same. So first year we could not recover. Second year, coming to second, that means including first year. First year also we could not recover. Second year also we could not recover. Third year we are having time. Okay. Third year, it is the last chance we are having. Third year. So if you could not recover in third year also, then it will be transferred to profit and loss account, this amount. So second year we will be having again 3 years. For second year's short working, we will be having 3 years. So coming to the amount paid to landlord, whichever is higher, 6,160 is the higher amount we are paying to the landlord. Now let's go to the next year, 2,000, 8,400 units. So 2,000, 8,400 units. Our royalty is 1 rupees. 8,400 units is the royalty. So what is the minimum rent? See, 6,720 is the minimum rent. 6,720 is the minimum rent. Whatever the amount exceed out of the total royalty, deduct the minimum rent, and whatever the excess amount or excess royalty is there out of the total royalty, deduct the minimum rent. So if we are having excess royalty than minimum rent, out of the excess amount we can recover the short working. Again I am repeating, we are having more royalty than minimum rent. So if we deduct the minimum rent from the royalty, that is excess royalty we are having, that excess royalty we can utilize for the recovery of the short working. So let's recover 8,400 minus 6,720. So we are having 1,680 rupees excess royalty. So we can utilize that to recover the short working. Coming to the first year. Coming to the first, we should recover this amount. Later, if there is any excess amount after recovering this amount, we can utilize the short working recovery of short working for the next year. So coming to the first year, see total short working is 4,800. But excess amount, how much we are having? We are having only excess royalties 1,680 rupees. So we could recover only 1,680 rupees. Remaining amount we cannot recover. That amount should go to transfer to profit and loss account, because this is the end of the third year. See, first year chance was given. First 3 years means first year chance was given. Again second year also chance was given. We could not recover. Again third year chance was given. So in third year we could recover only 1,680 rupees. Remaining amount we could not recover. That amount will be transferred to profit and loss account. Coming to short working, there is no short working in this year. Third year, short working recovered. See, out of 2,400, 1,680 rupees we could recover. Remaining amount should transfer to profit and loss account. We could not recover. So minus 4,200. So it is 2,520 rupees transferred to profit and loss account. Here also this amount we will be having again first 3 years means first year, second year, third year. Again we are having next year one more chance we are having. In that year also we could not recover. That also transfer to profit and loss account. So first 3 years means including first year. Next 2 years means excluding first year and second year. So both are same. First 3 years is also same. Next 2 years is also same. So be cautious in the exam while reading the question paper. So please remember, first 3 years means next 2 years. Next 2 years means first 3 years. Both are same. Again now, after deducting the short working, what is the amount left out to the payment of landlord? That amount should be payable. So total amount 8,400 is the total royalty, minus recovered is 1,680 rupees we could recover. Remaining 6,720 should be transferred to landlord. This is not minimum rent. We are transferring as a royalty, but we could recover the short working. Remaining amount we are transferring as a amount transferred to landlord. Next, for 2001, 11,200. Now for 2001, 11,200. So let's look at the 11,200. So royalty 1 rupees. Again it is 11,200 only. So it is 11,000 into 1 rupee equals 1 rupee into 1 equals to this into 1 equals. So it is 11,200. So what is our minimum rent? Our minimum rent is 7,280. So it is 7,280. So this year also we are excess royalty than minimum rent. So whatever the excess amount we will get after deducting the minimum rent, that amount can be utilized for the recovery of the short working. If there is no any short working, full amount will be transferred to landlord. So 11,200 minus 7,280. 7,280. So we have excess royalties 3,920 rupees. Excess is there. Excess money is there. So that 3,950 we can 920 we can utilize for the recovery of the short working. See here we are having, see this short working already transferred to profit and loss account. So leave this amount. Coming to second year, 1,960 out of 1,960. How much we can recover? We can recover full amount because excess amount is there. 3,920 excess is there. Excess royalty is there. So we can recover full amount. See, I'm recovering full amount 1,960. So total royalty is 11,200. Out of that I could recover 1,960. Remaining amount transferred to landlord. So 11,200 minus 1,960. Remaining amount 9,240 should transfer to landlord. Now last year 2002 our production is 3,920 unit. So 2,000 to 3,920 into 1 rupees for every ton. So it is what is our minimum rent? 7,840. So our minimum rent is, so it is our royalty is 3,920. Our minimum rent. So minimum rent is 7,840. 7,840. This year our minimum rent is more than royalty. Royalty is lesser than the minimum rent. So we are having short working this year. So deduct this amount. So what is our short working? 7,840 minus 3,920. Short working is 3,920. 3,920. No recovery of short working, no transfer to profit and loss account. So whichever higher should be paid to landlord. So 7,840 should be payable to landlord. Now let's go to the ledger entries. This is the ledger first. First we have to prepare the ledger entries. Landlord. First we have to prepare the landlord account. Then we can go for the royalty account, then short working account, and later minimum rent account. First we will go for landlord. So what is the journal entry? In first year, which amount we are paying? We are paying the minimum rent. So if you have minimum rent, what is the journal entry? So it is minimum rent account debtor to royalty to short working. So I am repeating, minimum rent account debtor to royalty account to short working account. That means in minimum rent, both royalty is also there, short working is also there. So what is this? Is the minimum rent. 5,600 is the minimum rent. In this minimum rent, 4,000, 1,400 royalty is also there. 4,200 short working is also there. Now let's go to the next slide. Now first we have to prepare the landlord account. Later we can go for royalty account and short working account and minimum rent account. Let's go to the first one, landlord account. So what is the journal entry? When you pay the minimum rent, see, when you pay the minimum rent, what is the journal entry to pay the minimum rent? See, in first year we are paying the minimum rent, which is more, minimum is more, so we are paying the minimum rent. So what is journal entry to pay the minimum rent? So here journal entry I will write here, minimum rent account debtor to landlord account, being the minimum rent payable, Now this one, while preparing the journal entry, minimum rent account to landlord account. Now ledger, convert this to ledger. So in landlord account we should write by minimum rent account. This is by minimum rent account. In minimum rent account we should write to landlord account. Once again I am repeating, in minimum rent account to landlord account. In landlord account by minimum rent. Which account we are writing? Landlord account. So landlord account means we should write by minimum rent account. So it is on which date? 1998. By minimum rent account. What is the amount? Minimum rent amount 5,600. 5,600. Now where landlord account will appear again? Now while paying the amount to landlord, journal entry landlord account are to bank account. By landlord, see I am writing journal entry here. So landlord account debtor to bank account. That is by landlord account to bank account. So while preparing bank account, write landlord account by landlord. While preparing landlord account to bank account, we should write to bank account. So on date on same 1998 to bank account. So what is the amount we are paying? Full amount we are going to pay to the landlord. This is 5,600 we are paying. See here. So how much we are paying to landlord? 5,600. Again both account will tally. 5,600. 5,600. Again for next year. Next year which one we are paying? We are paying the minimum rent. Minimum rent is more. We are paying the minimum rent. Journal, what is journal entry? Journal entry is same. Minimum rent account to landlord account by minimum rent account. 1999 by minimum rent account. What is the amount? So it is 6,160. Here also that should be paid to landlord. Journal entry landlord account to bank account. So 1999 to bank account. It is 6,160. 60. Tally both the sides 6,160. Here also 6,160. Again coming to the third year. Look at the third year. So both the minimum rent and royalty. See here, we are paying the royalty. We are paying the royalty. What is journal entry? What is journal entry? Royalty account debtor to landlord to short working. So royalty account I am writing here. See, royalty account debtor to landlord account to short working account. See here, we need only this royalty account and landlord account. We don't want short working account. While writing the short working account, we will consider the short working. Now, royalty account to landlord account. So it is by royalty to landlord. In royalty account, we should write landlord account. In landlord account, we should write royalty account. That means by royalty account. In 2000, by royalty account. So what is the amount you paid to landlord? Now look at the entry for third year. We have paid. We should consider this and this amount, not the exact amount of production. Only how much we are actually paying to landlord. That amount we should write. So it is by landlord. How much? 6,720. Here also now in 2000 to bank account. Again 6,720. Both the side tallied to 6,720. Here also 6,720. Now coming to the next year 2001, which is more. So royalty is more. Again for this year also we are paying the royalty. Journal entry. What is journal entry? Royalty account to landlord account. We should write by royalty. So for 2001, by royalty. So how much we have paid? See, look at the royalty account. How much we have paid to landlord? 9,240 rupees we have paid. So it is 9,240. Again coming to transfer to bank account. 2001 to bank account. 9,240. Again tally this amount 9,240. Here also 9,240. Again for last year, look at the last year. Either the royalty or the minimum rent, which is more we have to pay. So we are paying the minimum rent. So how much minimum rent? 7,840. So now what is the journal entry for minimum rent when you are paying the minimum rent? Minimum rent account to landlord account. So we have to write by minimum rent account. 2002 by minimum rent account. What is the minimum rent we are paying? 7,840. Again here transfer to bank account. 2002 to bank account. 7,840. Tally 7,840. Here also 7,840. This is how we have to prepare the landlord account. See, on the basis of journal only we should prepare the ledger. Now let's go to the royalty account. So when you paying the minimum rent, let's go to the first year. So here we are paying the minimum rent. When you paying the minimum rent, what is the journal entry? First entry is minimum rent account to landlord account. What is the second entry? Royalty account debtor, short working account debtor to minimum rent account. So we should write, let's write here, see here, royalty account debtor, short working account debtor to minimum rent account. So we need a royalty account and what is the opposite entry? Minimum rent is the opposite entry. So royalty account by royalty account to minimum rent account. We should write to minimum rent account. So it is on what year? On 1998 to minimum rent account. So what is the minimum rent we are paying? So minimum rent is, so it is while writing the minimum rent. So this minimum rent is inclusive of 1400 rupees is the royalty, right? Let's write the journal entry here. So royalty account data are 1400 and the short working 4200, 4200 to minimum rent 5600, right? So we should write by royalty 1400, by short working 4200, to minimum rent 5600. So while writing in the minimum rent account, you should write by royalty. In the royalty account, we should write to minimum rent, show the amount of royalty, show the amount of royalty. So it is to minimum rent account, amount is 1400. Where royalty appears? While transferring the royalty to profit and loss account. What is journal entry? Profit and loss account are to royalty account. So it is profit and loss account debtor to royalty. So profit by profit and loss account to royalty. We are preparing the royalty account. We should write by profit and loss account. So 1998 by profit and loss account. So how much? 1400. Again, both entry will tally 1400. Here also 1400. Again, coming to the next year, 1999. Again, in the second year also, we are paying the minimum rent. So what is the journal entry? Write the to minimum rent, but write the amount of royalty. To minimum rent 4200. We should write to minimum rent 4200. That amount should transfer to profit and loss account 1999 by profit and loss account. It is 4200. Total it 4200. Here also 4200 will get tally. Again, coming to the third year, 2000. Again, what amount we are paying here? So we are paying the royalty. When you are paying the royalty, what is the journal entry? So let's write the journal entry here. So royalty account debtor to short working to landlord account. So we have recovered the short working and remaining amount transferred to landlord account. So what is journal entry? By royalty account to short working to landlord. So we should write to short working account. So what is the amount short working recovered? So total amount of short working recovered here in the third year, we could recover the short working of 1680. So it is 1680. Again, how much we paid? 2000 to landlord. How much we paid to landlord here? See here. How much we have paid to landlord? 6720. 6720. Now what is the total production? So what is our total production in the third year? 8400 is the total production. Total production should transfer to profit and loss account. So it is 2000 by profit and loss account. So it is 8400. Again, this will get tally. 6720 plus 1680 will get 8400 only. Here also 8400. Are understanding? So on the base of journal only, we are converting entry to ledger. Keep in your mind. Next one, coming to the fourth year. What amount we are paying in the fourth year? We are paying the royalty. What is the journal entry for royalty? So royalty account data to short working to landlord account. Again, we should write in the royalty account, we should write to short working to landlord. If you recovered the short working, write short working to short working account. If you are not recovered the short working, we should not write the to short working account. So let's look at the whether we have recovered the short working. Yes, we have recovered the short working of 1960. So let's write to short working 2001 to short working account 1960. Okay, again to landlord account So whatever the amount we paid to landlord, that should be shown here, 9,240. So it is 9,240. Again 2,001 full amount should transfer to profit and loss account. Total production should transfer to profit and loss account. So look at the total production in the 11,200 is the total production. So 11,200 is the total production. So it is 11,200. Now coming to the last year. Last year we have minimum rent. We are paying the minimum rent 7,840. What is the journal entry for payment of minimum rent? When you are paying the minimum rent, royalty account debtor, short working account debtor, 2 minimum rent account. So we should write 2 minimum rent account, but the amount should be royalties amount. So we should write 2,002 to minimum rent account. Now what is the royalty amount here? Even though I am writing 2 minimum rent account, but we should show the royalty amount 3,920. 3,920. Again 2,000 to buy profit and loss account. Amount transferred to profit and loss account 3,920. Total amount will get tally. So both the side should get tally. Now let's go to the short working account. So where we have short working, let's identify in the table. So we have short working in the first year and also second year we have short working. So journal entry, where you can find the short working in the journal entry. See here, when you pay the royalty, we can find the short working. So it is by royalty account to short working account. We should write the by royalty amount of short working. Okay. Now coming to the table. See, first year we are paying the minimum rent. So minimum rent is inclusive of the short working and royalty. Journal entry. What is journal entry? So first entry is minimum rent account to landlord account. Second entry is royalty account debtor, short working account debtor to minimum rent account. See what is the entry here? Let's write here. So royalty account debtor, short working account debtor to minimum rent account. So we should show to minimum rent account. Amount should be short working amount. So we should show in 1998 to minimum rent account. So what is the short working in this year? So what is the short working here? 4,200 is the short working. So let's write 4,200. Again, in this year, could we recover the short working? No, we could not recover the short working. That amount should be carried down until it will transfer to profit and loss account. Okay. Now let's see in 1998, by balance carried down. Full amount will be carried down for, because he has given 3 years time. Okay, first 3 years means inclusive of to 1998, 1999, 2000, up to 2000 we will be having to recover the short working. If we could not recover the short working, then that amount will be transferred to profit and loss account. Again 4,200, here also 4,200. Coming to the 1999 to balance brought down 4,200. Could we recover here in the 2000? In the 1999 we could not recover the short working. Again, in the year 1999 we have another short working. So when you get another short working, because of minimum rent we got the short working. So we should write minimum rent account. Again to minimum rent account. So what is the short working for second year? 1,960. 1,960. So both the amount we could not recover in this year. So 1999 by balance carried down. Add it. 4,200 plus 1,960 is 6,160. Here also 6,160. 60, 6060 will get tally. Again coming to the next year, 2000, we should to balance brought down, it is 6160. So coming to the third year, here we could recover the short working. How we can recover the short working? When royalty exceeds, we could recover the short working. So then we should write by royalty. If we could not recover, that should goes to profit and loss account. Now let's write. So it is in the year 2000 by royalty. How much we could recover here? In the first year, 1680 we could recover. 1680. How much we could not recover? By profit and loss account. Transfer to profit and loss account. How much? So it is 2520. 2520. Remaining will be carried on because this 1060 we will be having one more year time. By balance carried down 1960. Again tally both the side. 6160, here also 6160. Again brought down 2001 to balance brought down 1960 for 2001 by, see, now could we recover this amount? Yes, we could recover the 1960 as royalty increases. So we should write by royalty account. So it is 1960 amount will get tally 1960, 1960. Now coming to the, it is get tally, no amount to brought down. But last year we are having again one more short working. What is the short working we are having here? 3920 short working is there. So again we will write here, this is, so this is debit side and credit side. So again on 2002 it is to minimum rent account. So what is the amount here? It is 3920, 3920. Again by balance carried down 3920. Again it should tally 3920, here also 3920, should brought down for 2003 to balance brought down 3920. We should write 3920. This is how we have to prepare. This is next, say for 2001, 2002. Let's go to the minimum rent account. Where you find minimum rent account? First year we have paid the minimum rent account. Second year also we have paid the minimum rent account. Third year we have not paid. Fourth year we have not paid. But fifth year we have paid the minimum rent account. Where you can find the minimum rent account? What is the journal entry? Now, journal entry first one, minimum rent account to landlord account. See, it is minimum rent account debtor to landlord account. That means we should write to landlord account. So on what date? 1998 to landlord account. So what is the amount? First year 5600. 600. Next entry. So it should be transferred to minimum rent and short working on the 1998 by royalty. What is the royalty here? So royalty is 1400, short working 4200. Royalty 1400. Now by short working 4200. Again it will get tally 5600. Here also 5600. Coming to the 1999. So coming to again we are having short working for second year 6160. Here also by landlord account 6160. Again it should transfer to 1999 by royalty. So what is the royalty? 4200, 1960. It is 4200, 200. So 1999 by short working. Short working is 1960. So 1960. Tally both the 6160 here also 6160. Now next one, for third year and fourth year there is no minimum rent. No need to prepare minimum rent account. Let's go to the last year. We are having minimum rent account here. So we should write for 2002. For 2002 to landlord account. So what is the amount? Total amount 7,840. 7,840 for 2002 by royalty. Again by short working. So let's look at the royalty. 3,920 royalty, 3,920 short working. 920, 3,920. So both amounts should get tally 7,840, 7,840. So this is how you have to prepare the ledger entries in the books of lessee. So in the next session, we are going to discuss on problem on ledger entries in the books of lessee with different types of problem we'll solve. Till then, thank you so much. See you again.